So hey guys, in this video we will discuss a new Leetcode question, that is longest valid parenthesis. It is hard type question. So we have given like a string, we have to find the valid parenthesis. Valid parenthesis means it contains the valid pair of like opening and closing bracket, and we need to find the substring. Substring means it should have the continuous order. Okay, so we need to find the longest out of it. Like here you can see we have like opening and closing bracket consecutively, and as well as the longest here is this one. So it has a length of 2. Now we have here it has length 2, and similarly it has length 2, but it is consecutive and forming the substring. It means it is of the length 4. Okay, so let's just try run it. Okay, so this is my string. What I will do is, first of all I will try to make a stack, and my condition will be whenever I will see the opening bracket, now I will always push that next to the stack. But whenever I will see the closing bracket, now my strategy will be I will check if like first of all I need to pop the element to the stack, because it like whatever like whenever I'm just popping it down now, it means it is like forming a pair. Okay, so if it is like forming the pair, so I can find the maximum length, but if it is not forming the pair, I have to push the index. Okay, but it is might be possible that my closing bracket is the initial element of the stack. So what I will do is I have to push something on the stack. That's why I have pushed -1, so that it does not give me any error. Okay, so what I will do is, so this is my string. I will start with the first element, that is closing bracket. So I will like first of all I have already pushed the -1. Then I will check if my like stack dot pop. So I have just remove it, and I will like try to find if my stack is empty. Yes, it is empty. So what I will do is stack dot push I. So I will push that element index to the stack. So I have pushed 0 here. Okay, so if suppose I'm not putting the -1, so it will give me error, because you are trying to find a pair that does not exist. So and you are trying to like pop it down element, and stack is already empty, so it will give me the error. So for like rid of that error, we are like trying to put the -1. So this is the like basic strategy that we are following. Okay, so now we have the opening bracket. Opening means we always have to push the index to the stack. So I will just push 1. Then we have like closing bracket. I will check. First of all I will remove the element. I have just removed. So my strategy is, if my stack is empty, no, stack is not empty, it means I have something and I need to find the length of it. So initially my length was 0. Now my length is, the current index is this one, that is 0, 1, 2. So 2 minus the length of like stack dot peak is 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay, so now this 2 will give me the maximum of 0, 2. So this 2 will be like storing here. Okay, so here this 2 will be stored here. So in this way the maximum length is like incremented to 2. Now I will jump to the next element here. Okay, so here my opening bracket. So opening bracket means I need to push the index. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So I will push 3 here. Okay, so I have pushed 3. So what I will do is, now we have this one. Okay, so this one, whenever I have the closing bracket, what I will do is, closing bracket means I have to be remove the first like stack dot peak. I'll just remove it. Now I will check my stack is empty or not. No, my stack is not empty because 0 is already present. So what I will do is, I will find like this index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I will do is like 4 minus stack dot peak is 0. So 4 minus 0 is 4. Okay, so what I will do is, my 4 will be stored at the maximum length. So my next maximum length will be updated now from 2 to 4. Okay, so now we have the closing bracket. So what I will do is, I will first pop it down. I will check stack is empty. Yes, stack is empty. It means it is the element that is present at the like corresponding opening bracket is not present. That's why I'm trying to push it down. So I will just put here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but what we have seen is my maximum length is 4. So here it will return the maximum length is 4. Okay, so this is the agenda that we are trying to use. So here I have done similar thing, that I have made a stack and I have just pushed the -1, and we are trying to, like, whenever we are trying to iterate now, whenever I will see the opening bracket, I will just push the index. But if I am seeing any closing bracket, else means closing bracket, first of all we are trying to remove whatever is present in the stack, because it might be possible that if, like, removing the element can be forming a pair or not. So forming a pair means my length is not 0. Okay, so forming the pair, so I will find the length. Otherwise, if I am able to find the stack is empty, so I will just push my element to the stack, and after that I will return the maximum length. I hope आप लोगों को समझ आया होगा. Thank you.